He. He is happy. He likes apples. He is running. He plays football. He is my friend. He has a car. He eats rice. He works hard. He is sleeping. He is a teacher. She. She is kind. She loves flowers. She is reading. She likes music. She is dancing. She has a pet. She cooks food. She is my sister. She wears glasses. She is at school. It. It is sunny. It is raining. It is my bag. It is small. It is heavy. It looks nice. It makes noise. It is a pen. It is a bird. It is flying. They are playing. They like pizza. They are friends. They work together. They have a house. They are coming. They are singing. They need help. They are laughing. They go to school. You are happy. You like tea. You are my friend. You speak English. You look tired. We are learning. We love ice cream. We play cricket. We are going home. We are good friends.